let's go see the mail truck. Can I have the mail truck, please? Watch. Let's make it run. Oh, that's so exciting, Luke. Can you get the mail truck? Rump in the air. I love it. Ah, that was so exciting. I love it. Luke, do you want to dance for everyone? Because you do such a fabulous job dancing. But sometimes you get shy, but let's see if I can get it going. If you will dance for everyone, because it's really, really kind of fun. We really like the way your feet move around. Oh yeah, this is a good one right here. This is what I'm talking about. Uh-oh. Yes. Come on, Luke. Go, Luke. Go, Luke. Go, Luke. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Oh, yeah. Those moves. I love it. Let's see those feet. Come on, Luke. Oh, there we go. I wanna rock your body. Woo! Milford dance party. Come on, Luke. Rock your body. Come on, come on. Oh, in the club. Hopping in the club. Oh boy, this looks inappropriate. No? Uh-oh.